Hi folks! Now we will install one of our first virtual machines in our lab setup on VMware. Today, we will install Kali Linux, which is used by penetration testers and ethical hackers in the real world. Now, let's get started. Head over to your desktop and select and double-click the VMware Workstation icon. Once VMware loads up and the program has started, on the right-hand side, click Create New Virtual Machine. An option window will appear asking you where to get the ISO Kali Linux operating system for installation. Select the option that says I will install the operating system later, then click Next. On the next screen that pops up, VMware will ask which guest operating system we want to install. Select Linux, and for the version selection, use the drop-down box options and select Debian 10X, then click Next. Next, VMware will ask you to name your virtual machine. For the name type Kali, below this selection, VMware will ask which location you would like to store your virtual Kali Linux machine. By default it may save in your documents. This is fine, but if you want to save the virtual machine somewhere else, use the Browse button and select a place to save. Once done, hit Next. VMware will then ask how much hard drive virtual disk space you would like to give the virtual machine. Higher amount would be sufficient. However, the amount you select will be taken from your physical hard drive on your host machine. 60 GB max is good. Leave the default option to split the virtual disk into multiple drives, and click Next. On the next screen, look for the Customize Hardware option and select it by pushing the button. You will then be presented with the hardware settings of the virtual machine we are installing. Look for the option in the left pane reading New CD, DVD, IDE, Auto Detect, then select Use ISO image file, and click the Browse button to locate Kali ISO image file located in the Downloads. Navigate to it and select it, then hit Close, and on the remaining page hit Finished. The virtual machine will then show up on the left of VMware in the Library pane. Select it, then click the Play Virtual Machine option. VMware will start the Kali Linux operating system up, and you will be presented with the Kali install options. Use the mouse and click on the display of the Kali screen. Once you have clicked and the mouse cursor has gone, use the arrows on your keyboard to navigate to the install option. Now we have Kali ready to be installed. Follow along with the actions on the screen and I will explain more as we go through the install. Select your location, time and keyboard setup. Then Kali will begin installing. On the next screen it will ask for a hostname of the system. Name it Kali, then use the tab or the arrows on your keyboard to select Continue. It will then ask for a domain. Leave this blank and select Continue. Then the installation will ask for the name of the admin user. Type HackerOne or whatever name you like and select Continue. Next, choose a password. For this lab have used Kali all lowercase as the password. Then, confirm the password again and select Continue. Let the installation then set up the configuration. The next page will be the disk partitioning of the installation. Since this is a virtual disk, we will be using the entire disk, so select the option that says Use Entire Disk. Next, select the first option to confirm, and then continue to select the first option until the installation begins. Once the system is done, select Continue to finish the installation. And that's it. Now let the system boot up, and use the credentials, user, HackerOne and the Kali lowercase password, and boom, there you go, you are now on the road to become an ethical hacker and penetration tester. Now let's continue to set up our hacking lab and get into the good stuff.